IRS-Approved Depository for Precious Metals. Best IRA Gold Depository. Have you ever considered the legitimacy of storing your precious metals in an IRS-approved depository? By choosing an IRS-approved depository, you're not just opting for top-notch security, but also guarding yourself against potential tax complications. To read the full article right now, see the link in the video description. Also, to find out whether your savings are keeping up with the higher cost of living, see the link in the video description to access the free Inflation Retirement Calculator to ensure you are on track. Whether you're a veteran investor or just starting out, you'll find this information invaluable in safeguarding your assets and maintaining peace of mind. Let's delve deeper into this topic, explore the benefits, and shed light on some of the leading IRS-approved depositories for precious metals. Delaware Depository Service Company. As one of the premier storage solutions for precious metals, the Delaware Depository Service Company offers you top-tier security and insurance coverage for your valuable assets. This institution, approved by the IRS and licensed by the CME Group, serves as an exchange-approved depository for the NYMEX and COMEX markets. Delaware Depository provides peace of mind by ensuring your assets are well protected. With an all-risk insurance coverage worth up to $1 billion, you can rest assured that your precious metals are safe. Even shipments made by express carrier or mail are covered for up to $100,000 per package. Whether you're a brokerage firm, a manufacturer, a refiner, an IRA custodian, a coin dealer, a retailer, or a commodity trading house, you can benefit from Delaware Depository Services. It caters to clients of all sizes, demonstrating its flexibility and commitment to provide top-notch service to all. Another key advantage of storing your assets with Delaware Depository is the potential tax benefits. As a client, you can benefit from Delaware's numerous business tax advantages, which can significantly enhance the value of your investment. In choosing Delaware Depository, you're not just selecting a storage facility, but a partner committed to providing a secure environment for your precious assets. A partner that takes pride in its robust security measures, comprehensive insurance coverage, and commitment to client satisfaction. Ultimately, Delaware Depository isn't just about storing your assets, it's about securing your future. Brinks Global Services. When you're looking to secure your precious metals, Brinks Global Services stands out as a top choice due to its exceptional security measures and reliable storage solutions. Operating with authorized depositories in both New York City and London, Brinks has a global reputation for safety and reliability. One of the significant advantages of Brinks is the comprehensive liability coverage it provides for all stored valuables. This offers you an added layer of security and peace of mind, knowing that your precious metals are fully insured. Furthermore, Brinks offers globally accessible inventory management via an online portal. This means you can easily track and manage your assets from anywhere in the world. Brinks also prioritizes speed and accuracy in the delivery of precious metals to secure storage locations. Here is a breakdown of their services. 1. Fast delivery. Brinks ensures quick, efficient transportation of your precious metals to the secure storage locations. 2. Industry standard weighing practices. You can trust the accuracy of the weight of your assets. 3. Third-party assays and inspections. Brinks allows for independent verification of your precious metals, ensuring transparency and trust. 4. Controlled storage release. Based on your instructions, Brinks will handle the preparation, acceptance, storage, and release of your precious metals. It goes without saying, when embarking on the path of gold investing, working with a reputable gold investment company that has a long-established relationship with trusted depositories, such as Brinks and Delaware Depository, is critical. Birch Gold Group and American Hartford Gold partner with both depositories and provide some of the lowest minimum investment amounts in order to start a gold IRA. Gold IRAs are a tax-advantaged way of buying and owning gold with the peace of mind that these depositories provide. Also, gold IRA companies can provide access to competitive prices, price transparency, a reasonable buyback policy, and reliable customer service. Another highly reputable gold IRA company and partner of Delaware Depository is Augusta Precious Metals. If you are a serious high-net-worth investor who can afford a higher minimum to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, as well as lifetime customer support, then Augusta Precious Metals would be a good fit. See the links in the video description to find the right gold IRA company that best serves your needs. ScotiaMocatta Depository. Next on your list of potential depositories is the ScotiaMocatta Depository, a key part of Scotiabank, which has long been known as Canada's Gold Bank. This depository, established in 1997, is a product of the acquisition of Mocatta Bullion and Base from Standard Chartered Bank by Scotia Capital Markets. Not only does ScotiaMocatta have a robust history, but it also has the distinction of being an approved COMEX depository. ScotiaMocatta offers a wide array of precious metals-related services. You can avail yourself of their coin offerings or participate in their certificate programs. If you're interested in leases, consignments, or loans, they've got you covered. They even offer rate agreements, providing you with financial flexibility in your investments. One of ScotiaMocatta's standout features is its offering of 24-hour global market coverage. This means you're not limited by time zones or business hours. You can access your investments at any time. Additionally, they guarantee the global physical delivery of stored metals. This ensures that your assets aren't just safely stored, but are also readily accessible and movable as per your needs. Choosing ScotiaMocatta as your depository gives you the assurance of working with a reputable institution with deep roots in the precious metals market. With their wide range of services and round-the-clock market coverage, you can confidently secure and manage your valuable assets while ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. In essence, you're not only investing in precious metals, but you're also banking on ScotiaMocatta's long-standing expertise and reliability. I just want to take a moment to thank you for supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video content. It really does make a difference. Now back to the video. CNT Depository. Continuing your exploration of IRS-approved depositories, let's now turn our attention to the CNT Depository. Based in Bridgewater, Massachusetts, CNT Inc. is a COMEX-approved depository recognized for being the largest supplier of raw gold to the U.S. government. Over the past 35 years, the depository has generated over $8 billion in annual revenue. CNT has achieved this through its direct distribution and storage relationships with some of the world's largest government mints. The CNT Depository distinguishes itself in several ways. 1. Security. The depository is a Class 3 facility, ensuring the highest level of security for your precious metals. This includes 1,400 square feet of segregated vault space and 75 cubic feet of private vault storage. 2. Insurance. All metals stored in the CNT Depository are 100% insured by Lloyd's of London. This gives you peace of mind knowing that your assets are protected. 3. Storage space. The facility boasts over 20,000 square feet of fully insured storage. This substantial space allows for the secure storage of a large volume of precious metals. 4. Experience and relationship. With over 35 years of experience in vaulting, CNT has established strong relationships with global government mints. This helps to ensure a reliable supply of precious metals. In conclusion, utilizing an IRS-approved depository for your precious metals offers significant benefits. Top-rated facilities like Delaware Depository and Brinks Global Services ensure maximum security and compliance with IRS regulations and work with reputable gold IRA companies. Also, their partnership with reputable and trusted gold IRA companies provide tax advantages, as well as sound security of your precious metals. By adhering to these guidelines, you're safeguarding your retirement assets and avoiding potential penalties. As an investor, understanding this aspect of precious metal investment is critical in making informed decisions that position you for financial success. If you have a minimum of $100K in savings to protect and want to take advantage of the most competitive gold prices, see the link in the video description to attend a free gold investment webinar hosted by Augusta Precious Metals. Reserve your place today. Thank you for watching.